Okay, Blue, let's try some of these sounds and see if they fit the movie. Were those the right sounds?
No!
Okay, Blue, let's try two more. Were those the right sounds?
Yes!
Oh, yeah, because the wind goes swish, and when a balloon breaks, it goes. Let's keep going, Blue. Are you ready? Were those sounds right?
No!
No. Okay, Blue, let's try two more. How about those? Were those the right sounds?
Yeah!
Yeah. Good listening. The broom goes and the baby goes wah. Okay, one more to go. You got those ears ready? Were those the right sounds?
No!
No, I didn't think so. Well, okay, how about these? Were those the right sounds?
No!
No. Okay, well, let's try these. Were those the right sounds?
Yes!
Oh, yeah, you have such incredible ears. The truck goes, and the happy baby goes, so the wind goes, the balloon goes, the broom goes, the baby goes, the truck goes, the happy baby goes. Hey, we finished the whole movie. Let's watch and listen to the whole thing. Wow, you did such a great job with that. Don't you think so, Blue? They